What's up, man, people? It's me on my phone right now. You know, this is actually a pretty good angle, but I am going to be driving to a nice little spot today. A couple spots to take some pictures of my car. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. So yeah, I'll see you guys somewhere along the road. I just arrived at the spot. At this spot, I am going just to take a couple pictures of that way. Just the back end of the car, probably, because the sky over there is pretty nice. I do have to Photoshop a couple things out. I wanted to point my camera that way, but oh, there's a car coming. Unfortunately, it's getting really busy at this parking spot, so I can't really get pictures right now. You know, it's a good spot, but in my head it was way better, so I don't even really care that I have to go. I will be going into some territory that I've never been in to check if they have any good spots, and I'll take you guys with me. It's really, I can really like, I can film like this in a car, and it's actually a pretty good view, so I might use this when I'm driving for a camera. There's a fucking cop that just drove past me, bro. I didn't go over the speed limit though, so that I'm good, you know. I just did a pull. That's about it. Fuck. You know, I don't see him turning around. Over here they don't really do that. Or they will probably do that if you go fucking speeding, but you cannot turn around on this road, so that's why. And I was already going normal speed when he drove past me, so hopefully. But I don't think I went 80 and it's an 80 road, you know, so no problem. You know what? I'm gonna go to the right over here. I have no clue where this is. So I'm just trying to find a good spots for a picture. So I'm gonna just go into these areas that I don't know. This is a very nice area, but I'll start the recording again when I actually find something. Well, after like, I don't know how fucking long it took me to find this spot. Probably over an hour. I think even a little bit over an hour. Probably like 2 hours actually. But I've been just driving around really. I'm now in a wooded area. A lot of leaves. This was kind of like a, I guess this is like a way to get into the forest with a car for like rangers and stuff, but that's why I parked it here. I'm gonna take some pictures here. Maybe even record if it's quiet. I do see a lot of people driving around here. I'm gonna just grab some pictures and probably just drive around a little bit more. So yeah, that's my plans. So I'm taking some pictures of the car now. Oh no, give up. No, I cannot switch. Take some pictures. I have a different lens on it now. And so yeah, I'm filming the car some more. Okay, this spot is actually pretty good. It was very busy with people biking and walking and horse riding, but actually now it's very quiet. So yeah, I already shot some pictures, and man, this car, I fucking love this car. I do think I'm gonna drive it around a little bit more this area. There's a couple drops of water on my car that I want to clean off real quick, and yeah, just find a different spot where just a little bit less people and I have a little bit more space, because I want to create a video. I have my tripod with me, I have a lot of cameras with me, so I'm trying to get that done. But yeah, it's actually a very beautiful area. I'm definitely going to keep this spot in mind because it's actually really good. But I'll see you guys next time. Well, you know, actually, this area is also really fun to drive, man. It's just roll down all your windows, you know, have some music on the radio. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. Yes, I'm the only one that drives over here. Everyone is biking. Everyone, you know. But it's just really fun to drive around over here. Just listen to some music, roll all the windows down. It's a vibe, man. It's a vibe. It's like, I honestly can't wait to start driving again. But I'll see you guys when I find a better spot. No, I'm just cruising right now on this little road. I've been cruising for the past hour or two. Like, I'm addicted to driving this car. Like, I am. But I think I'm gonna head home right now. If I do see a cool spot where I can park on the way back home, I will park there, take some pictures, do the video. But right now I'm just cruising. I finally know where I am right now. The last hour I drove in like an area I'd never been before, so like yeah, very nice. The weather is amazing. I have all my doors or all my windows open. I don't know if you could see that, but that was my seat warming. So seat warming is on, and look where I am right now. Really nice area right here, but not really a good spot where I can put my car. But I will update when I'm at the spot or at home. Okay, so it's the end of the vlog. I feel tired. I low-key don't want to film more. I was was planning to film more of my car. I brought like I bought 4 cameras with to film the video for Instagram, but I just couldn't really find a good spot. I did find that one spot where I took some pictures, but it was just too busy for my likings. I really want a quiet area where I can just chill and film, you know. And so hopefully next week I will find a spot where I can film, because I do really want to do this video. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.